Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be the unboxing of my my Boxycharm. So this is Boxycharm, Ipsy by Boxycharm. Boxycharm by Ipsy? Boxycharm by Ipsy, that's what it is. So this is all their socials right there. This is what it looks like. And if I have a palette, hopefully not, because I don't have no protection in this at all. I think there's one paper, but that one paper is down on the bottom. So hopefully I don't have any broken palettes. So this is the little pamphlet. It just says Boxycharm, find your groove. It does have some stuff that you could have gotten or you got in your box. It should say the amount that it does cost. But other than that, I don't see some of the stuff that I have in this box. So most likely, because I am filming off of my phone, I will put everything in the description box. When I'm editing, I will put the amount, the cost. So hopefully I have a few things. That way I could at least tell you guys the retail value. This is Yesen Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. It is 8 Power Pink Essence. Not really sure. I've heard of Yesen. I think we got concealer or foundation or primer, something from Yesen. I remember it being okay. I don't remember having any complaints about it. So this, yes, it is Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. Hit refresh on your complexion with this anti-aging face cream. This is a $48 price tag on this. It just says meaning of yen, Chinese color and face, English deep desire and passion, Vietnamese calm and peaceful, Japanese currency. That's all it says on the top. This is what it looks like right here. I am trying to see if you could see how much I have in the bottle, because it really does feel like a lot of air. It is sealed. I will try it. Let's see how this works. Hopefully I try it. Sometimes I say I'm gonna try it and I don't. I end up giving it to my daughter or putting it in a giveaway. This is Reversal Retin C Treatment Complex from Kat Berkey. This is, okay, so this isn't on here. Oh no, I'm lying. This retails for $90. This little bottle, really. This is a 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml. This is a Retin C treatment complex. Retinol and vitamin C help plump and even your skin. Love the retinol stuff. Love vitamin C. So, ooh, I like this packaging. This packaging is so pretty. I like that. Comes in a pump. Okay, and then there is some complexion essential brush set. Complexion essential brush set. Okay, that is not here. Yeah, I'll have to leave it when I'm editing because the brushes aren't here. Okay, so this is Jasmine Beauty Complexion Essential Brush Set. 3-piece set includes angled blush brush, bronzer blush, angled blush brush, bronzer brush, and detail setting brush. God, why couldn't I say that? Very pretty. Oh, wow, I smelled that right when it came out of the, smells like paint. It was like a manufacturer kind of scent. Oh, so it does have one fly away. I could fix this. I'll just trim this part right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and trim it. See, right there. I'll cut that. But other than that, I'm pulling on them. There's no shedding, so that's good. Same thing here. This one is perfect. It doesn't need any trim. That one's perfect. Pulling on the hair, perfect. So super excited for that. I will leave the price on when I am editing. And then there is this is Luna Magic Soft Perfection Foundation Powder infused with conditioning shea and cacao butters, long wear vegan formula, soft matte finish. So that's what it looks like. That is not here. I'll have to leave that. Oh, in medium. That is what it looks like. This is gorgeous. I love the packaging. That is beautiful. It does. I am so used to medium coverage now, the medium shade. It does come with a mirror, but this looks super light, doesn't it? To me it does, but I don't know. Hopefully. Anyways, I'll leave that in when I am editing as well. And then there is, this isn't on here as well. Yeah, this is Phase 0 Santorini Santorini? I don't know. See, why can't I talk today? It is a struggle. This is a quad eyeshadow palette. This is matte shades. There is a couple of shimmers. That is what the packaging looks like right there. It does come with a mirror. I will be putting this in a giveaway because I have these or I'm gonna ask Yesenia if she wants it, and if she doesn't, I will put it in a giveaway. Last but not least is this, and this is not on here as well. This is the, yeah, it's not on here. Byro, B-Y-R-O. I think that's an E. This is the salmon cream. This is 1.69 fluid ounces. It is 50 ml. Oh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. That is so beautiful. I love the packaging. It looks very, very luxurious. It smells good. Don't mind all the noise. It's my dogs, it's my kids, and it's the wind. So that is everything that I received in the box. To me, it was kind of skincare heavy. Even though it's kind of evened out, it was 3 skincares, 2 makeup, and then brushes. So it was just a meh box this time. I'm super excited for this. I do like this. So 2 out of 5. Yeah, 2 out of 6. 2 out of 6. I guess it's alright. It was just a man box to me. But if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to join my little family, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell just to get notified whenever I do upload a new video. Alright guys, see you guys in the next one. Bye.